welcome back. It's Christine again with the Artist Pod, and today we'll be drawing a witch's hat on a cat. As always, I'm using a Wacom Intuos Pro tablet, and I'm drawing straight into Photoshop. So, let's get arting. Dropping it. Alright. So, we're going to have you flopping down front, but coming over, right? So it's flopping around behind the ear and over. Maybe a little bit more dramatically. Right, so we have that coming, which means this, you'll have like a belt or something, but witch's hat will come on up. Have that coming down in kind of a dramatic fashion. So then this would swoop down. And off, but you have this nice big brim. And then this will be coming up. Alright, so then we'll have kind of a belt coming off at an angle here. Like a belt on the hat, you know, they sometimes, you know how witches are. We'll have that kind of coming down, so this will be up and over. Of course, the cat the ear will be erased too, so that when we get to it, there we go. Yep, and then I can make some adjustments as I need to, like here. Make adjustments to whatever's happening here. Alright, this is a nice wide brim, so this can come down in a nice wide fashion. Yeah, we're going to make that a wider brim. Yeah, there we go. This looks like it's too big, which is perfect. And then, you would have the wrinkles or whatever in the hat as it comes up and over. I like kind of the harder notch as it switches up and over. Just making sure, right, that this is clearly in front of the back section, which would be coming down and off, drooping down behind it. And then of course through the belt you wouldn't see the lines of through the belt buckle on the hat, you wouldn't see the lines necessarily. And then you have a little happy cat familiar. So some keys to making this work and look right, I think are going to be in centering it more. Don't have it centered over the ear, have it more centered over the head. Like, you can turn it like it is now, but don't be afraid to have it draping over an ear to center it more on the head in general. And then I'm gonna pop this up a little higher. I get nervous towards edges, and sometimes I shorten myself out when I shouldn't. Yeah. We have this nice witch's hat coming over this cute cat. And then, you know, you could add whiskers. There would be whiskers, so that would be something for the finished product for sure. Right? We have eyebrows, but if you wanted to instead do, you know, a couple of whiskers on the eyes, you could do that. Although one is, you know, blocked by the hat. So, decided to shorten my little Still have it flopping down, but not nearly as dramatically. This doesn't quite look as good, in my opinion. Oh yeah, I think that looks better. So let's then change this a little bit. I mean, you could flop it the way I did it, but I think it also looks good by shortening it up instead. Still leaving it jaggedy. Yeah, there we go. And then we just get the tip flopped. Which is perfect. Alright, so that's how you draw a witch's hat on a cat. I hope that was helpful. In the floating nether next to me, I have other videos of art tutorials I have done. I will see you all soon. Thank you so much. Take care.